Alrighty, and we're live from the bathroom window. Apparently I got a swing with nobody on it swinging. Somebody's pillows right there. The moron neighbor across the street, yard there, can't quite figure out how to use a screwdriver. It's kind of comical. You have to find comedy and catastrophe. I don't know if you can see the screens are popped out. A bunch of branches in my yard. There he goes. Let's get a zoom in on him. Hold on. Who's this? Huh? Look at this guy. This is funny. It's like the 9th attempt. Just can't figure out that flathead. But I did not take her in. And she's doing damn good. You guys hear that grumbling sound? So we're still a few hours away from the we're a few hours away still from the massive part. Waiting like crazy. It's getting stronger. It's coming in towards us 10 miles an hour. I really hope when I upload this you can hear that grumbling wind sound. It's so weird. I know that there's a subscriber that has family right where I'm at. Actually, a lot do. And if you're calling them, you probably can't. May or may not be able to get through. This is what you're looking like. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. Wow, we just picked up big time. Oh shit, people. I'm gonna go to the front yard, pause this right quick because this is picking up on us. Wow.